Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. You all are ready with your GK books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
All right. Okay, so how many test papers are left?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Yes. Let's come on page number 53. Everybody open
Good
up.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Everybody open up page number 53 of your books. And all of you open your cameras also.
Ma'am, 53 page number.
Yes, 53 page number. Problem solving skills, party time. Let's do the party time.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Ma'am, what is page number?
Beta, page number 53. Okay, so what is written on page number 53? Your friend has invited you to his birthday party. The party will be in December. Your friend has sent you some clues. Can you find out the date of the party? Okay, now looking at this calendar, you have to tell what is the date of the party. Okay, can you see on page number 53? There's a calendar given. Everybody look into your books.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So there are some clues. Your friend has invited you for his birthday party. Now you don't know the exact date. So he has just sent a few hints. Reading these hints, we will try to take out the date
Which
of his
page, ma'am?
birthday.
Which
Page number
page, ma'am?
53, beta. 53.
Ma'am, but we are not done 15 number. Ma'am, I am tell the answer. I am Harsh Patel.
I'm Harsh Patel. No, beta, don't tell the answer. First,
Okay,
we will
ma'am.
read out all the sentences. The party is not on a Saturday or Wednesday. Okay. So let's cancel out all the dates of Saturday and Wednesday because the party is not on a Saturday or Wednesday. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. We are not done page number 52. Word power.
Beta, we have done. We did it last week. We did it, beta. You were.
I don't understand the number 5. Ma'am, what is the means of prime number?
The 10th. Okay, wait, beta. One by one, I will come to every sentence. Then what you can do is with your pencil, you can cancel out all the dates that fall under Saturday and Wednesday. Okay, cancelled. It is not on Christmas Eve. So when is the Christmas Eve? Christmas. Yes.
Ma'am, 25 December.
Ma'am, what is the answer of first?
Beta, we will have to read all of them together to find out the answer. So for the first one, what we have to do, we have to cancel all the dates that are coming under Wednesday and Saturday. Put a cross on all the dates of Saturday and Wednesday. Okay? Everyone has put a cross? Yes?
Ma'am, where?
What?
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Ma'am, the party is on 15. When the party is on 15.
Okay, beta, very good. You have seen the answer. Very nice. Now let me do it with other children. Let me explain it to them.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
We are-
I'm late.
We keep quiet. We are on page number 53 of your GK. Open up page number 53 of your GK book. We are doing party time of problem solving skills. Okay. Now the question of this page number says,
I found it, the answer.
okay, beta, be quiet. What you're supposed to do is, you have to read this calendar. Now, the question is that your friend has invited you for his birthday party, but you don't know the date of his birthday party. So, in these 5 sentences that are given under the calendar, you have to read these 5 sentences. These are little hints which will tell you when his birthday is, on what date his birthday is. Okay? So let's read out all these sentences. The first sentence says, the party is not on a Saturday or Wednesday. So cancel out, put a cross on all the dates of Saturday and Wednesday. Okay? Put a cross because sentence number 1 says the party is not on Saturdays or not on Wednesday or Saturday. So that means 2nd, 9th, 16th, 23rd and 30th December is to be cancelled. 5th, 12th, 19th and 26th December is also to be cancelled. Put a tick on sentence number 1 because we have cancelled out. We have followed the instructions given in sentence number 1. Now, move on to the second one. It is not on Christmas Eve. When is the Christmas Eve? What is the date of Christmas Eve?
25 December.
No.
25
Listen, children.
December.
Christmas Eve is on 24th of December. 25th December is Christmas, and Christmas Eve is one day before any eve. Any eve is one day before the main date. Okay?
Ma'am.
So it is on 24th of December. Yes, beta.
And ma'am, after 2 days, Christmas is also coming.
Yes.
After 2 days.
So it is not on Christmas Eve. So cancel out 24th December also. Put a cross on 24th December. Cancelled?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
circle लगा सकते हैं.
हाँ, put a circle. The date of the party is...
कहाँ पे?
What कहाँ पे बेटा? What कहाँ पे?
But I do the
हम कहाँ पे सर्कल लगाना है?
Beta, have you opened page number 53?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are doing sentence number 2nd. What is second sentence? What is the second sentence? The party is not on Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. When is the Christmas Eve? On 24th of December.
Ma'am, 24th December.
So just cancel out 24th of December. Either you can put a circle or you can put a cross. Okay, done? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
Now we have cancelled 24 December also. Beta, please mute yourself. Unsha, mute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Then the third one. The date of the party is a prime number. Now, how many prime numbers? Shh, behave. Now, how many prime numbers do we have from 1 to 31 in the calendar? How many prime numbers are there?
Ma'am, please tell page number, ma'am, please.
Page number 53. Okay. Then next. Okay, tell me, who will tell me all the prime numbers between 1 to 31? Vedanshu Prakash, can you tell all the prime numbers? Because they are saying the party is on a prime number. Or the party date is on a prime number. Vedanshu? Okay, Akshada Tiwari is going to tell.
Ma'am, what is prime number?
Beta, have you not studied prime numbers in maths?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Ma'am, the correct answer.
Prime numbers are those which are only divisible by themselves or 1. Prime number is a number that does not come in any table. For example, number 13, number 7, number 5, number 2, number 3. These numbers are divisible by themselves only. And
That means odd numbers are called prime numbers.
No, not odd numbers. Now number 9 is also odd, but it comes in the table of 3. Okay, it comes in the table of 3. Number 15 is also odd, but it comes in the table of 3 and 5. Odd prime numbers are those. Prime numbers are those which do not come in any table, but only their table. Like number 13. 13 comes only in the table of 13. It does not come in any other table. Number 17. Number 19.
Ma'am, 17?
Yes, tell me if 17 comes in any other table. In which table do we have 17?
Ma'am, any. Ma'am, we have no. Ma'am, we have any table which comes. Ma'am, in every table, the 17 is not come.
Yes, 17 does not come in any table. It comes only in its table. 17 ones are 17. Okay. Now on this page on the top, write down all the prime numbers from 1 to 31. Okay? Write down. Okay.
Ma'am, I have crossed the Wednesday and Saturday.
Then put a cross on 24 December also. Because they are saying that party is not on a Christmas Eve. Put a cross on 24 December. Now let's write all the prime numbers. Write down 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 27, 29, 31. That's all. Okay. 22 is not a prime number, beta. 22 comes in the table of 2. It comes in the table of 11. 22 is not a prime number. Number 2, number 3. Okay. Number 2. Number 2, number 3, number 5.
Ma'am, 17 also comes.
Yes.
Ma'am, 7 only comes in 7.
17 is also come in the table of 11.
17 comes in the table of 11. When does it come? Tell me.
Ma'am, when we say the 7th line.
11 into 7 is 77, not 17. We are talking about 17. 17 does not come in any table. I will repeat the prime numbers once again. 2, 3, 5. Everybody be quiet. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 27, 29, and 31. Okay. So they are saying the date of a party is a prime number.
What are the prime number?
27. After 23, it is 27, 29, and 31.
Ma'am, after 19. Okay, ma'am.
After 19, it is 23.
on 13 December.
Wait, now wait, beta, wait. Don't jump on to the answer like that. Now see, you people didn't know na, what prime numbers are. Still, there were students who found the answer. Everybody has written all the prime numbers till 31.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I returned.
Good.
Ma'am.
So now we get a hint that we have our friend's birthday falling in one of these dates that we have just written. Okay?
Ma'am, the answer is 17 and 15.
Then the next one. The sum of the digits is less than 5. Now the sum of the digits, that means it is a double digit number. Okay? When they say the sum, beta, everybody be quiet. How do you know it is 13? It could even be they are saying the sum of the digits is less than 5. So it could be 13, it could be 11 also. Why only 13? The sum of the digits of 11 is also less than 5. Let's read out each and every clue very wisely. Okay? Don't be so quick. Then the sum of the digits. What do you mean by sum of the digits? The total of the two numbers. Suppose the number is 17. So what is the sum of 17? 1 plus 7. That comes out to 8. If the digit is 19, what is the sum of the digit? 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. So they are saying the sum of the digit is less than 5. Now let's cross out all the digits whose sum is more than 5. First, let's cross out all the single digits. Okay? Because there can be no sum of a single digit. That means his birthday is on a double digit date. Clear? So let's cancel out 2, 3, 5, 7. Then we have.
Ma'am, his birthday.
How do you know it's 13? Tell me. We still don't know the date. We still do not know, but we are very close to the answer. Because we know it is a prime number. Now the prime number, the sum of the digits is less than 5. So if we add 1 plus 1 in 11, yes, it could be one of the answers. If we say it's 13 December, yes, it could be one of the answers. 17 December cannot be the answer. Why? Because 1 plus 7 is 8. 19 can also not be the answer because 1 plus 9 is 10. 23 can be the answer? No, because the sum of its digit is 5. But they say it is less than 5. So let's cancel out 27 and 29 also. Now we are left with the date 31 because the total of 31 is also 4, which is less than 5. Okay, so we have our dates either 11, 13 or 31. One of these dates. Fine. Now let's read the next clue. the tens digit is less than the units digit. Okay, now we should cancel out 11 also, because the tens digit and units digit, they are same in 11. And we should cancel out 31 also. Why?
Good morning, ma'am.
Because
Sorry,
here,
ma'am. I am late.
because here tens digit is not less than units digit. So let's cancel out 31 also. What we are left with? We are left with 13th date. That means the birthday is on 13th of December.
13 December.
ऐसे करो
Done?
मम्मा ऐसे करो
Very nice. Very good. Now have you checked the answer at the back? Is it 13 December?
yes ma'am
Have you understood it?
yes ma'am
Yes. Good. Okay. Now tell me, what number am I talking about? If I say, just everybody mute yourself and try to be a good listener. Don't be very quick in answering when you don't know the question only. What is the number in the calendar? What are those two numbers in the calendar whose total, whose sum is 7? Tell me. If we add the two digits of that number, the sum is 7. The total is 7. What is that number? Yes?
6 and 1.
6 and 1
No, but
5 and
no, okay, wait. It's not 6 and 1. It's 16. The date is 16. Tell me the date. Okay, one date. Fine. 16 and also 25. The total of 2 and 5 is also 7 now. 34. 34 is here in the calendar. Do we have 34 date in calendar?
no ma'am
So we have only two numbers, 16 and 25. Okay. I'm asking similar question now. Everybody will answer in the chat box. Okay. Tell me any two digits whose total is, tell me any two digits whose total is 6. Beta, I'm asking, tell me any two digits in the calendar, two numbers in the calendar whose total, if we total up the digits, the sum comes out to 6. Yes, very nice, Arsalan. Very good. Arsalan, your answer is correct.
24.
Very good. 24. The answer is 15 and 24.
And 15.
Yes. 15. If we total up 1 plus 5, it comes out to 6. And if we total up 2 plus 4, it comes out to 6. Very good.
What is the page number?
Beta, page number 53 of your GK book. Okay, next. Next what I'll ask you is, tell me any prime number between 10 to 15. Tell me any one prime number between 10 to 15.
Ma'am, 13.
Very good. Very nice, Sarthak.
30.
Any other number apart from 13? Is there any other number also?
11.
Very
Ma'am,
good,
11.
Samar. Very good. Very nice.
11.
Okay. Tell me any prime number between 21 to 25. Any prime number.
Ma'am, 23.
Very good. Very nice.
27, 23.
Beta, between 21 to 25.
3 and 25.
25 is not a prime number. 25 comes in the table of 5.
7 is not a prime number.
7 is a prime number.
27.
Ma'am, 27.
27 is a prime number, but I am asking you prime number between 20 to 25.
Ma'am, I have
27 is not a prime number, beta. 27 is not a prime number.
23.
Tell me 27. 27 is a prime number? No.
No.
In which table 27 comes?
3 and
Yes,
Three.
in 3 and 9.
9.
Yes.
3 and 9. 3 and 9.
Good. 3 and 9. 27 is not a prime number. Then tell me any prime number between 25 to 30. Tell me any prime number between 25 to 30.
27.
No, beta, 27 is not a prime number because 27 comes
23.
in the table
23.
3 and 9.
23.
Who is saying 23? Who is saying 23?
Ma'am, it is like 24. 24.
24 is a prime number? 24.
Ma'am, 26.
Beta, 26 does not come in the table of 2.
Ma'am, 27.
Beta, 27 also comes in table of 3. 3 nines are what?
27.
27. So 27 is not a prime number. Okay. And when I'm asking you prime number between 25 to 30, so you have to choose only number between 25 to 30. Don't say 23. Fine? You have to first look at the range, what I'm talking about.
Ma'am, it is 29.
Yes, the number is 29. Very good. Okay. Now, come on to the next page. Page number 54. Rini went to the fair with her father's mother's only son. Okay. The first sentence. Now, everybody will listen to me very carefully. Here you have to test your skills. Okay, let's see how intelligent, how sharp you people are. Now they're talking about in the first sentence, they are saying that there is a girl, Rini. Rini went to the fair. That means she went to a fair. Whom did she go with? With her father's mother's only son. How is Rini related to the person?
Ma'am, daughter.
Yes.
Daughter.
Yes. Why? Because Rini went to the fair with her father's mother's only son. That means her grandmother's only son. Yes, it's daughter.
Daughter.
Then the second one. Ravi travels 15 minutes towards the north and turns right. Travels for 10 minutes before turning left. Which direction is Ravi now facing?
North.
Better just because the answer given at the back is north, so you are saying it's north?
West. West.
Now,
I'm not.
see, I will tell you what. Ravi goes north. Okay? He's moving north. Then what he does? He takes a right turn. Right turn, that means he comes this side. Then again he moves and then he takes a left turn. Left again goes upwards. So what direction is he in now?
Ma'am, not.
It south. How come south? How come? Yes, it is the north.
Ma'am, east.
Oh, beta, it is the north direction. See,
Ma'am, not. My God.
first he travels towards north, so that means he's going like this. Then he takes a right turn. Now he's going into the east direction. Then again he takes a left turn, and that means he's again moving towards which direction? North. That becomes the north direction. Then the third one, in the following series, which number should logically replace the blank? Okay, tell me which number.
21.
21.
21.
Ma'am,
21.
21.
Why? Okay, tell me why.
21.
Why 21?
30. Ma'am, because in this there is a number of 6 gap.
Okay. We can also see that the gap is of 6 numbers, and we can also see the how we multiply. 3 ones are 3. Then they have skipped 3 twos. They have taken 3 threes. Then after 3 threes becomes 9. Then they have skipped 3 fours are 12. They have skipped. Then 3 fives are 15. Then let's again skip 3 six are. What will take? 3 sevens are 21. So the answer is 21. Then the next one. Which of these is equal to 20 into 4? First of all, we need to know what is the answer of 20 into 4. What is the answer? 20 into 4 is?
80.
80. So let's see what is equal to this. The first one is 50 plus 25. That comes to 75. So that is not the answer. Second is 70 plus 35. That comes to 105. This is again not the answer. C is 100 minus 30, which is 70. So is 70 the answer? No.
No, ma'am.
The last one, 120 minus 40. That comes to 80. Yes, that is,
Minus 40 is the correct answer.
yes, that is the correct answer. Then, the fifth one, read very carefully. I am a number between 5 and 15. The sum of my digits is odd. Okay, the sum of my digits is odd. One of the digits is twice the other.
Ma'am, 11.
No. No.
Ma'am, 11. 10.
Beta, the sum of
11.
12.
what does it say? It says the sum. Now listen to me very carefully. Be quiet. Beta, be quiet. They are saying the sum of the digits. That means if we total up the two digits, the sum of the digits is an odd number. So if we double up the numbers of 11, 1 plus 1, is it an odd number? No, it's an even number. If we double up, yes, very nice. If we double up the digits of 12, it is an odd number. If we double up 14 also. It is also an odd number. Number 14, 1 and 4. Then one of my digits is twice the other. That means if one digit is 10, the other digit is twice. That means 2 times, 20. If one digit is 2, the other digit has to be 4. It is 2 times. So here in numbers between 5 to 15, we have that number 12, whose total is also odd, and the one digit is twice the other digit. That is number 12. Then the sixth one. How many eggs are there in 2.5 dozen? First of all, tell me how many eggs are there in 1 dozen?
Ma'am, 12. Ma'am, 12.
12. 1 dozen has got 12.
30.
How many eggs are there in 2 dozens?
Ma'am, 24.
Ma'am, 24.
24. 12 plus 12, 2 dozens, 24.
24. Ma'am,
And half a dozen. Half a dozen. How many eggs are there in half a dozen?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 6.
Wait.
Ma'am, 6.
Ma'am, 30.
Very nice. So 24 plus 6 is 30. We have 30 eggs in 2.5 dozens.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand fourth one.
Excuse me, sir. Not 31, it is 37.
The fourth one, which of these is equal to 20 into 4? First of all, we need to know what is the answer of 20 into 4. What is 20 into 4? What is 20 into 4? 80.
80.
20 into 4 is 80. Okay. Then they have given a few calculations in the options. Now calculate each and every calculation that is given. So the answer comes to what? The answer which is correct is the last one. 120 minus
120 minus 40.
40. That comes to 80. So that is the answer. Then we have 120 minus 40. The D option. Okay. It's the D one.
What is
Then-
the answer of sixth one?
How many eggs are there in 2.5 dozen? So beta, when in 1 dozen we have 12 eggs, in 2.5 dozens, how many eggs are there? 12 plus 12, 24 plus half a dozen. That is 6 eggs.
I want to tell something.
Wait, beta, wait. And we can also calculate it. How will we calculate? 12 into 2.5. There are 12 eggs in 1 dozen. Now we have to find out how many eggs are there in 2.5 dozen. So what is 2.5? 2.5 is 2.5. So 12 into 2.5 comes out to 30.
tomorrow
Yes,
क्या होगा?
Bhavya, what do you want to say?
Day after tomorrow क्या होगा?
If there in 1 dozen
बाद
there
एक
is
दिन
12 eggs in
Hmm.
two dozen,
कहाँ तक?
12 plus 12.
Day after tomorrow.
Wait, beta,
मतलब कल
Bhavya is
से
talking right now.
Thursday.
Yes, Bhavya, in 2 dozens there are 12 plus 12. That means 24.
So the answer is 24.
ये
Dozen.
before yesterday मतलब
Two
यदि
egg dozen
जैसे आज है ट्यूसडे हैं
Beta, 2 dozen eggs are 24.
Study
2.5
क्या था?
dozen
Study क्या
eggs
था?
are 30 eggs.
मंडे था डे आफ्टर स्टडी